morning, one and all, to the one-day webinar on SAP career opportunities. On behalf of Department
Voice clearly.
one-day webinar. So,
Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
Sir, your voice is not hearing.
good morning, one and all.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to
Good morning, sir.
a webinar on SAP career opportunities. First of all, I want to invite today's chief guest, SAP EME, Sri Johnny Joseph Garu, to the workshop. Today, the Department of Commerce happy to inform you that this is the fourth webinar the department is organizing. And this webinar main intention is to show the career opportunities for MBA, MCA, MCOM, BCom, BSc students in SAP platform. The main intention of program is that. So I request all the students, please utilize whatever the speaker says and you apply that in your real life to get better job opportunities. Now, once again, I invite all the delegates, scholars, students to the webinar. Now the program is handed over to Director of the webinar, Dr. G. Rambabu Gopisetti Sir Garu. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Srinivas.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So I welcome you all to this one-day webinar on SAP career opportunities. Srinivas, you sound like the sorry. So first of all, I am very grateful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Telangana University, Professor Ravindra Sir, and a respected Registrar, Professor Nasima Madam, and our Dean Faculty of Commerce, Professor M. Adhigiri Sir, and Principal of our University College, Dr. V. Chandrasekhar Sir. And it's most my privilege to invite our former Vice Chancellor, Professor Muhammad Akbar Ali Khan Sir, and the Vice President of SAP EMS, Sri Johnny Joseph Garu, and other fellow colleagues, students, and other personalities who are attending this webinar. A very good morning, you one and all. And first of all, I would like to share my opinion why the background of this conducting this webinar. And after ITES technology, information technology enabled services, after that the SAP has occupied a lot of prominent role in the information technology. And this information technology, more particularly SAP, it is needed more number of persons from various disciplines like commerce, economics, management, law, statistics, and other BSc, some data science like this one. So the main intention is I want to throw a light to all the students to know what are the opportunities which are available to these scholars after completion of their undergraduation and as well as the post-graduation. And one more thing, I'm very happy to say that the SAP EMS partner, Joni Joseph sir, he is more interested. He explained me about what are the various opportunities available to the commerce students, particularly commerce students and commerce related and allied subjects. So in this regard, it was a very great inspiration from Joni Joseph sir. Thank you for giving me such type of a wonderful idea. Undoubtedly, I can say this SAP opportunities will be given full of information to all the BTech students also, especially BTech, CSC, AC, and all these students. So many different angles. The SAP is going to provide the technical support and knowledge to all the persons. And before going to start this one, as a director of this program, I would like to provide some information regarding what are the SAP career opportunities, a basic information which I am going to give. The full information will be given by, say, Joni Joseph sir. So with your permission, I would like to speak about 5 minutes regarding this SAP career opportunities. Right, sir?
Please go ahead. Please go ahead, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, this is I am Dr. Rambabu Gopsetti, the Head and Chairman Board of Studies, Department of Commerce, Telangana University. I would like to present a few views on SAP career opportunities. Now, generally, many people they used to call SAP and SAP. Most of the people, I can't say like that, but happens like this. SAP is SAP like that. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, Products in Data Processing. This is the full form of SAP. And most probably, there are some technical skills and soft skills, functional skills are required for the SAP. And this I will give you a brief idea, but I don't go, I want to give the full of ideas. Then soft skills, functional skills, and also we need technical skills. And most of us know it is our part of course curriculum. We have been providing the soft skills training to our students at the university level and as well as undergraduate level. Now in this skills, what happened? You can carry this. We need the networking and branding skills. Generally networking, you know how to working each other, and branding how to create that one. And most of the things, students, you please remember in your mind, and I am iterating and reiterating so many times, all students, don't neglect developing your communication skills. Communication skills occupies a prominent role in achieving in our career, right? So in this communication skill, most of the verbal communication and written communication, if you are perfect with these two communication skills, definitely any organization will take you as their employees. So you must possess these skills. You have to learn, acquire from various angles, how to communicate the information. That you must be an effective communicator. Then 50% of your communication skills will give you 100% of job opportunities. Believe this one, right? Develop your communication skills. This can be done by reading newspaper, by following this regular watching your NBC, CNN, like this. So you can get it, that one, no problem. How to get that will be taken into the later part. We are also planning to organize one more faculty development, student development program regarding in collaboration with Cambridge University in support with Joni Joseph sir, the later part this one. And most of the things, particularly the commerce and management students, should possess the leadership skills. A leader is a person who directs the subordinates to achieve an accomplished task. So you should have the leadership skills like your charismatic skills, bureaucrat, everything. So you have to develop your leadership skills much. Then always, if you become in a SAP, then you should have a mentality, a sales mentality, how to sell the products. That is much more important, because of the success of a person it is not only manufacturing of the product, but how to launch in the market, how to sell these products into the customer. This is very much important. If you always think in that direction, definitely you will success in your career. Then The functional skills, simply I'm giving the core module knowledge and specialized knowledge. You need not be master in all the specialized areas. Please be specific yourself one particular knowledge domain, that is your PICO or you go for ABAP and etc. in SAP. So with that one, you become master, and you should possess this specialized knowledge in that area. So this is enough to take you into any level of this one. So we should have the knowledge on a particular domain. You confine yourself where you are comfortable, but you have to be select. And in addition to that one, you need to cross module integration. Sometimes front office, back office, some different SAP, SCM, CRM, materials, there are different types of modules. So how to link your specialized knowledge with the other modules, that also you have to be concentrate on that area. Then how to write a functional related design, specs we will call it as. So study to design a program. First of all, what you have to do, you must be able to understand what is the structure of your organization or your department or your functional area. What are the aspects? What is the scope of that functional area? You have to study this one. Once if you grab the knowledge on your specialized functional area, then it will be very easy to develop your functional related one. And finally, the navigating through configuration. So this configuration process will be explained by our resource person. That will take to the next part. Then the technical skills, simply the using tables and doing table joins and creating queries and creating custom transactions, codes and transfer variants, and SAP security knowledge, and being able to read, identify code and basic debugging, and LNW and data migration, and how to create and move a transport. These are the some techniques and the and techniques how to be process. So this, I hope you get this material with our resource person, and with this small information regarding the SAP career opportunities. Thank you all for listening me, the patients. It is my turn. Now, is it okay?
Yes, okay, sir.
Fine. Done. Now, it is my privilege to invite our former Vice Chancellor, Professor Muhammad Akbar Ali Khan, sir. He is a person, he never speaks, his works are going to speak. The Telangana University today like this, and there are some stepping stone laid down by the Professor Muhammad Akbar Ali Khan, sir. Sir, with a privilege, I invite you to this one-day webinar on SAP career opportunities. I think definitely the students or delegates will get the most fruits from this deliver. I invite Professor Muhammad Akbar Ali Khan, sir, to address the
Audible?
same.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. I am thankful to the director, Dr. Rambabu, Department of Commerce, for inviting me. I also welcome to.
Sorry, your picture is not visible, sir. Sorry for the disturbance, sir. Your camera, sir.
My camera. My camera is on. Am I audible to you?
Sir, your camera.
Is not visible.
You are not. You are not. Fine.
Am I audible?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first of all, I congratulate the Department of Commerce, the director, the convener, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Registrar, all the members the scholars, the faculty, the students, the participants, all who have joined for this very important program, which will be addressed by an expert, Mr. Joseph, on SAP career opportunities. I am basically from commerce background. So, I don't know about IT. I don't know about other SAP programs in computer sciences, which are related to IT. But I know something about accounting. So SAP accounting. So today, for all the commerce graduates, the SAP opportunities are based on accounting softwares. What we have been doing till recently is recording the transactions, the different books of accounts. But now with the technology, with the integration, with the SAP and with the ERP, we have the software, and we have connectivity to any service without the need for separate integration tools. Only one click of the button, will lead to take you to record transactions in all, whether it is banking, whether it is customer, whether it is supplier, in all records. So no need of any separate books of accounts or records to be maintained. So very important thing is that now today we have 360 degree of integration, which is called SAP, as Dr. Rambabu has given his very nice presentation. Really. So a lot of customization has taken place in the program. So now what has happened is accounting also has become, commerce, integration, all has become very easy for all. What is necessary for the students is to learn the technology and learn, how you record the transactions in the particular software. So what is the SAP is, it is in a simple way, I would like to say nothing but customization of the programs, which is 100% customized to the particular firm, to the particular company, to the particular program. So there are two very important functions which are important. One is functional, one is technical. So you being a commerce or accounting background persons, you need to be domain expert. So what is necessary in the domain expertise is very, very essential. Is you need to know the principles of accounting. You need to, that is what is most essential for you. Because today you are not dealing with one currency. You are dealing, when you are in the platform, which is a website platform, you are dealing with multi-currency. You are dealing with multi-firms. You are dealing with multi-customers. You are dealing with, all multiple things. So like I can say multi-currency means, for example, cryptocurrency has come, Bitcoin's currency has come. The trading is taking place. So what I mean to say is to all the students, this online integration of the accounting and all commerce activities, everything is based on, your expertise in this area. Job opportunities are plenty, in one area, accounts receivable, there are plenty of jobs. In another area like accounts payable, in another area like payroll, in another area like auditing, in another area like cash management, in another area like bank reconciliation. So these are very, very small things for our accounting. But if you are having expertise like payroll accounting, in one area, if you are having expertise, you will be really getting better opportunities. Today, accounting has become like a social science. Why? Because we cannot remember the recording of transactions which takes place. So that's why it has become like a social science, domain. And so, you have to be very much technology oriented. Really, this lecture organized by Dr. Rambabu is very inspiring to the students, and students should take part in this seriously and learn the subject well. I congratulate the department. I congratulate Honorable Vice Chancellor and the Registrar for organizing this webinar. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Really, it's our privilege to listen you. And We know very much that you are specialized in accounting. You are a national, international figure in this area. Our delegates are today fortunate enough. They are lucky enough having listening you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sparing your valuable time. In future also, we need your cooperation in the same direction, sir. We are going to.
Surely,
Thank you, sir.
surely.
Thank
All
you.
the best. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I invite Mr. Johnny Joseph Garu to address the gathering and to present what are the career opportunities in SAP. I invite Mr. Johnny Joseph, sir. Please address the gathering. Sir, am I audible? Johnny Joseph, sir.
Very good morning. Can you
Yeah.
hear me? Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, any network problem or it is audible, clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Honorable Professor D. Ravishankar, Vice Chancellor of Telangana University, and the former Vice Chancellor, Professor Nazim, Registrar of Telangana University, Professor M. Yadagiri, Dean, Faculty of Commerce, Dr. V. Chandrasekhar, Principal, University College, and Dr. Rambabu Gopisetti, Head and Chairman, BOS Department of Commerce, and Dr. G. Srinivas, Faculty Department of Commerce, conveners, co-conveners, eminent personalities gathered, and other teachers, professors, all respected guests, whoever is gathered for this auspicious seminar, and dear students. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Telangana University to organize such a wonderful program for the upcoming generation, because this is clear evidence how university is taking care of the next generation, how serious university showing to the their own students' career. See, many of the university I am visiting and college I am visiting in India, before pandemic, I was traveling around 23 states and meeting many colleges. I am very lucky to have such a very good opportunity in my life, in my career, to travel vast and meet people, just like Birla Institute of Technology, Kirloskar, and many universities in Delhi, Rajasthan, Bangalore, even Karnataka and all. So, in my professional experience, looking to such a very good step taken by the university for the upcoming generation to invite industries directly to the university and providing the skill enhancement to the students during the study period itself, and getting ready the students when they are getting out from the university, day one, they will be ready for the industry. So it's a wonderful idea. I congratulate the entire university coordinators for this and especially for the commerce segment to showing your commerce students and all other students to enhance their skill set, especially in ERP and SAP. I am not giving a lot of introduction. My introduction is already over. My name is Johnny Joseph, and basically, I am taking care of SAP India's entire education and training and placement. These three things. Okay. So, first and foremost, I would like to tell students a very happy news. That is, when you are gathered for here attending a seminar, But I can tell you, if anybody is passing out this year, not only the training certification, now we have around 300 vacancies ready with us. Okay, in SAP segment. So even before attending the training and certification, if university is ready to send their resume, is any problem? Am I audible, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Need little bit loud, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. No problem.
Little bit loudness. Increase volume.
You want again loud? Actually, I am very much loud. One second. I'll just try to use my earphone. Okay, then it may be more clear.
Yes.
Give me 1 second. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Is it clear? More clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Not audible?
Yes, sir. You can carry on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think the earphone is not connected till. Okay.
No,
Anyway,
sir.
It's okay, sir.
maybe some places there's some network issue may be there. That is what everybody is not hearing equally. Okay, it may be because of various network problem. Okay, because
No problem.
people are sitting in various places. No? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
so when is one speaking, can another, all of them, if they mute their mics, it will be audible clearly, sir.
Yes. Can you kindly mute all of you?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Can you kindly mute your audio? Everybody, please.
Sir, you muted yourself also, sir.
No, actually, I didn't mute it. It is muted by someone else. Maybe some administration was trying to mute people. Okay, it's okay, not a problem. Right. So what I was trying to say is, recently we have got around 3 to 4 companies direct opportunities related with SAP, and even before training and certification, company are ready to give interview to the students. That much very good vacancies and opportunities are in IT and ERP segment now. It's a very happy news for the students, whoever is gathered and attending this seminar. So first of all, I am going to tell you, get ready to give the interview very soon. Okay, before starting the seminar, I am telling, because many people coming from the industry to take some money and give some training. We are very different. We are very, very different. We want to give you ultimately employment end of the day. Because whatever the steps university is taking to give the seminars, workshops sort of thing to the students to provide more and more employment. That is what our aim. So if employment is not provided end of the day, there is no utility for arranging such kind of workshop, seminar for any particular segment of skill set. So that is what the good news in the first phase I wanted to tell. And secondly, I want to inform all the students gathered here. You can just search in Google. You can search anywhere. The 10 biggest company who is paying the best and best salaries to the employees. Okay. I mean, you can just search world's 10 best company whoever is paying high, you can find out first, second or third SAP. SAP is one of the best paying company in the world. Okay, it means whoever is doing a certification in SAP in any module is going to get the best opportunity in the globe and the best salary in the globe. And you may be thinking that what may be the salary as a BCom, as a normal graduation, what may be my salary by entering into SAP industry? Without any big thing, I can tell you 3 to 4 years down the line, if you joined in SAP industry, 3 to 4 years down the line, your salary may not be not less than 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh, very minimum monthly in SAP industry. It is a global salary people are getting. So you may not be believing this much. After a BCom or after a BCA, after a BSc or MSc, after my MBA, in 2 to 3 years time, 1.5 to 3 lakh rupees per month is possible. Yes, it is there. SAP is all around more than 200 countries, already widely spread, and SAP ecosystem, the best and best salary is available. And the job security, job profile, living style and everything is in such a manner. So I would like to invite and welcome all of you to have a around 45 minutes to 1 hour SAP seminar session from my side, and keenly attend the opportunities. What is exactly SAP? What is exactly SAP is going to provide to the world? And as a student, as a career aspirant, what is the utilization of doing this certification in your career? Okay, so I just would like to share a screen. 1 second. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is visible, no? Screen? Okay. Yeah, and the screen is changing now?
Changing, sir. You
It's
can
changing now?
Yeah, yeah.
Fine, fine. So, actually, a small presentation you already seen from the speaker already regarding what is a full form, what is SAP and all. So I am starting with a 2-3 minutes mind opening and eye opening to the students. See, I would like to just mention you about Charles Darwin, one of the greatest quotation. Charles Darwin, you all people knows very well. He told once, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. It's a wonderful sentence, you can understand. Nowadays, technology is changing day by day. Things are changing day by day. And if any species who is that survives, if it is adaptable to change, if you have strength and if you have intelligence and all these things is not going to work to adapt in the present circumstances. So if you are adaptable to change, whatever the changes are coming day by day in the modern time, if you are able to accept it, adapt it, then you can survive in this world very easily. That's a very good evidence. We know that last 1.5 years, pandemic came, and one Mr. Johnny Joseph is sitting in Kochi and talking to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana people, and very, very distance, you people are sitting and attending my presentation, I am seeing you, you are watching me. All this is adaptability. This change is happened and we adapt it. So we are surviving at least. And many people, they are not even not ready to for this online cloud and all these adjustments and these changes. They are still in the darkness. They are still not progressing their life. So this is the best evidence that cloud technology is one of the major things changing lives and giving us an opportunity to day-by-day communication in Google, in internet, and everything is the technology change. So when we are not changing, we are not going to progress. Say one small story, you can see that Kodak, BlackBerry, Nokia like companies, where are they nowadays? They were ruling, once upon a time, they were ruling the world. They were thinking that, okay, if at all we are not changing much, our brand is well known, our product is very good, people will accept it long and long. But new companies came in place of Kodak, in place of BlackBerry, Nokia and all, Apple and all these new things came. This brands is diminished and they decreased their business because they didn't brought to the society new changes, new models. So people just try to forget them slowly, gradually. So we can just see a lot of examples like Ambassador car. Many of our house, an old Ambassador may be kept in our car shed, old car shed or somewhere, as just like a museum product. Why it is like that? Previously, our all ministers, MLAs and all big people were using Ambassador around 10-15 years back. But nowadays it is not there. Why they didn't brought new models or new adaptability or new changes? So new brands came, they diminished, they vanished from the market. So what exactly Benjamin Franklin says is, when you are finished changing, you are finished. So what exactly the changes we need to adapt is Industry 4.0. I think here all the dignitaries, a lot of senior people are from the college, university is sitting, and they all know this Industry 4.0 formula. What exactly this modern age looking forward? This is the ultimate change happening in the whole world. Cloud, I already told something about cloud. Because of the cloud technology, we all are seeing this, gathered here and seeing this presentation. And in memory, mobile technology, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, neuro-linguistic programming, IoT or Internet of Things, blockchain, and virtual reality, robotic process automation. This kind of lot of modern changes and new technology came into the new era for 2021 technologies. We can just tell all these technologies are the emerging technologies of 2021. These are the technologies going to rule the world. So if we people are not adapting all these new changes, if we are not providing this technology to the upcoming generation, we will be very back in the society. We cannot go abroad, we cannot go to compete in the modern time. So what we exactly need is, we have to adopt such new technologies of 4.0, Industry 4.0, to survive in this coming time in 2021 modern technology. So I would like to just tell all the students, especially gathered here, open your minds. Time is changed. The technology is going to change. Even only with the MS Office or basic knowledge of computer or basic knowledge of internet, you cannot survive in this globe. According to the time, you have to change your study things, your vision and mission, your goal setting, all the things you have to change. nowadays it is not like previous time. Around 10 years back, people were thinking that, okay, I have to finish my college and academic things. Then after that, I have to go for some skill set for 1 year, 2 year computer programming or some other skill set. So they were studying regularly. Even after college and academic things, they were joining for other courses. They were going for the technical courses and doing the course. After 2 or 3 years, separate studies, they were joining in a company. Now, the time is changed. Universities, colleges, they are bringing industry directly to the university campus in the study time itself. They are helping students to save their time, their energy, their money. See, one thing I wanted to tell you, this particular technology, what I am going to tell you, explain you, is SAP. And this particular technology, if you are going to learn in the open market, after the graduation or post-graduation from the university, if you want to learn and certify in SAP, you have to spend around 3.5 lakh rupees for a module, a single module. Suppose you are commerce students, BCom or MCom. You want to do finance certification in SAP. You have to spend 3.5 lakh rupees in open market after getting out from the university. But university is going to provide you a student version opportunity, a student academy program of SAP, which I am going to explain what is exactly student academy program. SAP is a German-based company and they brought a new and golden opportunity to the students, whoever is studying in a university and college, a very, very subsidized fee system for the program. 3.5 lakh rupees market cost program, you are going to get with a very, very nominal cost. So it is cost effective when you are doing in a academic time, right? So what exactly I am going to tell you is, university is arranging you a wonderful opportunity to do such kind of a industry enhancement or a skill set with a very, very economical rate in the study time itself. So you are going to benefit in case of spending, you are going to benefit. And immediately after your academic time, you are industry ready, you are going to get a job. You don't want to waste your 1 or 2 year time outside market and to spend lakhs of rupees for an additional skill set. So that is why it is a very, very appreciable thing nowadays. This kind of a program is bringing to the campus itself. So university is adaptable to change now. Dear student, are you adaptable to change yourself, your think tank?
Yes, yes.
To save your time? Then it's a wonderful opportunity for you. I am going to explain what is exactly SAP and the opportunity. So thank you for a small eye-opening session. You were listening. Thank you for that. So what we are introducing in front of you is SAP Student Academy Program, Global Certification Program. In other ways, we can tell. SAP is all about, I can tell you, ERP. You must have heard about ERP, many of you. I would like to have a little bit interaction, or I will just call, I am not going to call any student's name because it may confuse them. So anybody can just unmute and tell me little answers if you are interested. Otherwise, okay, not an issue. Because a little bit interaction may be giving you, I mean, we can just avoid some boring because it is technology. When technology we continuously speak, it may get bored. So I would like to just ask any commerce students gathered here, what do you mean by ERP? What is the full form of ERP? Anybody knows? Any students?
Enterprise.
Yes.
Enterprise resource planning.
Not very clear.
Enterprise resource planning.
Very good, very good, very good. Enterprise resource planning. Fantastic. Thank you. So ERP is all about enterprise resource planning. And anybody is ready to explain what is an enterprise? What do you understand about an enterprise? Yes? What may be an enterprise may be what? Yes? Okay. An enterprise means it's a company, an organization, a business. Excuse me. So I will give you a clear explanation. If you have a notebook, you can write a small and very good definition of what is an enterprise. You can write down, an enterprise is a business and IT. An enterprise is a business and IT. If any kind of profit or turnover we are making through a particular business, we can call it as an enterprise, right? So if an enterprise is a business and IT, we need to have lot of resources to start and run an enterprise successfully. So can you just tell me some resources to start with an enterprise and to run the enterprise, a company? Any resource?
Land building.
Yes.
Land building.
Very good, very good. Go ahead.
Plant and machinery.
Machinery,
Labor.
plant.
Very good.
Material.
Very
Human,
nice. Very nice.
human resource.
Beautiful, beautiful. I am very, very impressed. You people have a very good idea about all these things. In some of the colleges, sometimes students will not speak. So I get irritated because why they are not speak up? Because now you people are showing that you are having a lot of knowledge and you are having idea. I appreciate. So an enterprise, if we want to start, we need capital, right? First of all, we need capital. Then we need land and building. Of course, as you said, if it is a manufacturing unit or something, we need raw materials, we need plant and machineries, we need not human resources exactly, we tell in that time, we tell normally manpower. Okay, it is manpower, not manpower can be for human resource or anything else. So we need all these kind of things to run a business, to start a business, and to make the business profitable. Okay, so we can tell all the kind of this kind of things together. We can tell resources. So shall I ask one important question to you? I need to start a business. I have all the resources. I get ready. I mean, I collected all the resources. And to run business successfully, a really good planning is necessary or not? Tell me.
Necessary, sir. Very important, sir. Planning.
Planning is very, very important. So it is all about enterprise resource planning. Now you got what is an ERP. Then one important question is there. I started a company and it is slowly, gradually improved. I started getting good turnover. My starting time company was 3-4 crores, very small company. Now it increased to 15 crores, 20 crores, or 25 crores. And my company manpower is again increased. I have some 150 employees in my company. Suppose it is a 50 crore turnover company and I have around 150 employees in my company. Suppose my day-to-day activities or business processing from the morning to evening, I am doing manually. There is no computerization. Will it possible to easily run with this much of staff and this much of turnover, everything manually in a ledger or a book without a computer help? Will it possible?
No, sir.
Possible.
No,
Absolutely.
sir.
Maybe if at all it is possible, the things will be scattered. It may not be centrally processing. It may be individually processing because all are maintaining their own ledger. Purchase department is maintaining their ledger. All other departments like material department is taking care of their ledger. Sales department is taking care of their things. Accounts is going somewhere. HR is going somewhere. Administration is going somewhere. Quality management, plan management, or all these different departments are maintaining their own things separately in ledger or books. Business processing from the day-to-day things may be scattered, decentralized. This kind of process anywhere is going is called in a particular term. We can call this kind of a manual processing decentralized processing or decentralization. You can just note down what exactly just opposite to ERP is I am telling. Decentralization is the opposite of ERP. Right. So a company is developing day by day. Their things are working in manually only. Any decision making of a company, any coordination or integration of the company is not properly doing. It will be not systematic. So this kind of a things is called a decentralized processing or a scattered processing. Okay. So a company cannot grow in this way. In this circumstance, world was suffering to have a very useful software for maintaining companies' day-to-day business processing. That time, you can see this particular screen, SAP Global and SAP India. This kind of a time, 1972, there are 5 IBM employees found this particular technology, ERP technology. They started a software and they started it from Germany, Waldorf, that is SAP. And through SAP, they told to the world that decentralized processing may not be a right kind of option to run a business successfully. So we are making a particular software. In this particular software, each and every department can be connected and integrated together or synchronized together to run the business very easily, to make the decisions, to find out the problems day by day, whatever we are suffering through this software. So they made a software called SAP, System Application Products in Data Processing. Okay. So this particular software given world to integrate whatever the difficult type of company, integrate together their programs, and each and every particular departments centrally connected, and they can easily manage the day-to-day business processing. So SAP software we can call is a business processing software. And while doing this particular software, each and every department is centrally connected. That is why we can call it is a ERP system, because an ERP we can call a centralized system or centralization. In a single software, any kind of any number of departments in a particular organization can be integrated together, and each and every particular department can see, find out and coordinate with any other departments statistics, whatever is going on in a company. For example, one example I will give you, a sales manager, he need to have to execute an order. He got a very big order from a customer, and sales manager cannot immediately see the statistics of the company, how many products is available, what will be the production capacity, what will be the material stock and all, without having a ERP system. They have a very good ERP like SAP. So when an order comes, he can immediately see, oh, what is my stock? If stock is little less, then he can see the production department when it can be produced further stock, when I can fulfill this order execution totally. So if everything is available in his computer, in a few minutes he can take the decision and he can tell the customer that what is the availability and what is not availability, whatever the things are not available, when I can fulfill it. If that software is not telling all these things, he has to take a lot of time to coordinate with all this department, and the order will be delayed. They will get lost. So while making this kind of a software in a company, while implementing this kind of a software, SAP like a software in a company, their day-to-day process will be in jet speed, in a very good speed, because they can take decision immediately. They can find out what is not with us, what is with us, and what exactly the modification we need to do, and all kind of decision they can take quickly. So SAP or ERP bringing new technology to the people to run their business simple and profitable. SAP's portfolio is SAP helps people business run better and simple. SAP helps people business run better and simple, we can tell, because of the integration. So each and every department can be connected, centrally processed, so we can tell. And ERP means a centralization or centralized processing. I hope you all got what is the meaning and definition of a ERP. Any kind of a complex atmosphere company can centrally integrate their entire processing, which we can call as a ultimate enterprise resource planning system. So now you understand that irrespective of the product manufacturing or whatever kind of a company, it may be a manufacturing company, automobile company, production company, petroleum company, post office, or any kind of a company, they need a ERP system to run the business. So here many of you have a doubt while hearing SAP technology. It is a IT technology. I don't like IT, so I don't want SAP. So some of the people have a misunderstanding that SAP is for only accounting. No, SAP is not a accounting software. SAP is not a IT software. SAP is not only for a product, production software. It's not only for a material management software. It is an entire ERP system. A company having 15 divisions, each 15 divisions, SAP can support them. So any kind of degree you are doing, SAP will help you. You can learn one or other module of SAP. No need to avoid SAP by saying that it is a IT company or IT software, I don't want it. Okay, so I am coming into the company profile. Okay, SAP global is established in 1972, headquartered in Waldorf, Germany. World leader in enterprise application business. I already told it is an enterprise application business. SAP is the world leader and number one. Around 80% of the total turnover of the ERP in the world is handled by SAP. All other competitors having only 20% with them. So we can tell that SAP is a monopoly company. They don't have a good competitor in the world. More than 440,000 customers in 180 countries, SAP having. More than 1,300,000 employees of 140 nationalities working with SAP companies and SAP offices. This billion dollar is written a little bit wrong. It is a little different. Say 40 billion euro organization. SAP is a 40 billion euro organization now. Okay, this latest statistics. Now, this year SAP is a 40 billion euro organization. And why I am telling is again and again, you can see the size of the company by this thing. Anybody is there from commerce? Can you tell 1 billion is how many crores?
100, sir, 100.
Yes?
100 crores, sir.
Very good, very good. What is your name?
Rakesh, sir.
Rakesh, very good. Good answer. So, Rakesh, we understand that 1 billion equal to 100 crores. Then, euro value may be around 80 plus today. And 1 billion into 80 rupees may be whatever you can calculate. Such kind of 40 billion euro. What may be the amount? You can just imagine. So that is the size of this ERP company of SAP. Okay, so it is one of the biggest and largest company in the whole world. Okay, and SAP having all new age digital technologies. I already told you in industry 4.0 technologies like IoT, machine learning, robotic process automation, robotics, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. This kind of all the processing is possible through SAP software also. Over 18,000 partner organizations worldwide is having SAP, biggest partners. 18,000 biggest partners means it is Fortune 2000 companies and all companies included in this. And if you take world's best 10 companies, SAP, all these 10 companies is running with SAP only. So you can see more information about SAP with www.sap.com about global statistics. And coming into SAP India, it is established in 1996, wholly owned subsidiary of SAP SC. It is from the Germany, their ownership itself, SAP India is running. And SAP India is promoting SAP in all over India. Over 80% market share of ERP in India also with SAP software. More than 6,500 customers, and day by day it is growing. About 8,000 employees working in SAP offices only. Bangalore Whitefield, SAP's biggest lab for research and development in India. The second largest SAP lab is in Bangalore. Around 3,000 plus employees working in SAP lab only in Bangalore. So in India, they established very nicely and they are doing very good. Okay, so SAP is such kind of a company. More than around 11 out of 60 Navratnas companies. I think you people heard about Navratnas. Jawaharlal Nehru started Navratnas in India. This category is called, this category means public sector companies in India having more than 5,000 crores turnover comes into Navratnas category. And Nehruji started this. BEL, BHEL, NDPC, ONGC, IOC, BPCL, like companies consisting in this, coming in this category. So this kind of company you take, 11 out of 16 Navaratnas run with SAP only. It is a wonderful thing for SAP. So you can imagine the strength of the SAP company in India. If you take 10 most profitable and largest Indian companies, 9 out of 10 companies running in SAP software only. So you can imagine the vast opportunities in SAP. See this list of customer companies. Now you can understand that it is not an IT based software. This is a very necessary software to run the day-to-day business processing. For any kind of company, it is evident for that. Hero Honda, MRF, Big Bazaar, all this company, you can see that many variety of companies, any kind, food processing companies, automobile companies, and watch companies, oil and refineries, NDPC like companies like Indian Post Office, Indian Army, Indian Navy, many shipyards wherever is in India, Cochin shipyard, and all this we are running with SAP software only. Okay. And again, you can see the remaining list. So around 11,000 plus bigger and smaller institutions or companies running with the SAP software in India is a very good relaxable things for any career aspirants in India. But when we are looking for a career in SAP, you can see this vast list of companies. Okay. In addition, you can see the partner list of SAP. See, more than 1,600 service and technology partners SAP having to provide SAP implementation support to the customers. So Accenture, Infosys, Tata, HP, IBM, Capgemini, Intel, HCL, Wipro, Microsoft, this kind of all these companies are providing SAP technology and different kind of services. So they are the implementing company of SAP. They implement for SAP. It's like TCS. TCS is a very good example. TCS is taking, I mean Tata Consultancy, TCS taking something around 500 to 1,000 employees every year from for SAP technology. From the colleges they are taking. Even suppose Telangana University now accepting this technology to implement immediately in the office, I mean immediately in the university. We can tell TCS that, okay, we can have some 100 to 150 this category of students, like finance students, some engineering students, some MSc computer or MCA students are already certified in Telangana University. You please go for an interview there. Then company will come and directly do the interviews in the university itself, campus itself. So they are ready to do that. So we have to get ready in a particular module certified before inviting them. That is what university is interested to have such kind of a technology in campus itself, in your study time itself, right? So I will tell you what are the technology or module you people need to learn to have a certification. I am coming into that. Now you've got the idea about what is ERP, what is SAP, what is SAP's present status in the world, which kind of company is doing this, who are the partners, all this kind of thing about SAP you already come to know. Okay, now I am telling you what you want to learn, what you want to certify. Okay, this is very important. I think you are seeing this screen. It's visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. SAP Student Academy Program, Global Certification Program. SAP Germany introduced worldwide a program called Student Academy Program. So anybody is a student, this program helps you when you are in a university. Okay, university or a college. So there are three kind of programs in SAP normally: technical modules, functional module, techno-functional module. There are three kind of programs. Okay, technical module means any technical module anybody need to learn. They may have preliminary knowledge about computer, like a C, C++, .NET kind of smaller programming language knowledge. A technical module, the better audience is computer science or IT in BTech, BE, MCA, BCA, BSc computer, MSc computer, kind of computer knowledgeable students. They can do SAP's ABAP or basis kind of module. ABAP means Advanced Business Application Programming. This is a SAP's technical module for SAP programming side. So anybody is customizing or implementing this software in any company, ABAP students, I mean ABAP candidates are very necessary to have an implementation process. So university having BTech, BE, MCA, BSc computer, MSc computer like courses. ABAP is one of the better module and best module. We are having around 150 to 200 immediate requirement for ABAP training, trained candidates. If university can bring such kind of students immediately, in 2 months' time, I can place all of them. I can place all of them in a very, very good, MNC companies, not small companies. And their minimum salary may be 3.5 between 5 lakh rupees per annum in the beginning itself. In the training period itself, they will get such kind of a very good salary. Please note down this. Any technical faculties sitting here, kindly note down that technical module ABAP have a huge demand now. I immediately want your attention. Even before training and certification, I can collect, if even today, if you are able to give me, some particular number of students biodata, I can give them opportunity for attending an interview. Okay, because I have a lot of demands. Presently, I have a lot of demands. Right. Coming into functional modules. Okay, functional modules. Any kind of modules, functional, technical, techno-functional, it is normally 200 hours syllabus. Okay, SAP's syllabus is normally 200 hours. Around 100 hours, we need to learn directly with the faculty's help. Remaining thing is practical sections. We can practice and all. 1 second, sir. I pardon you for 1 second. Ajay, seminar we can teach you. Actually, I got a call from a government sector for some association. So I just given a reply. Sorry. Okay. Coming into the functional module. This functional module is normally for BCom, BBA, BA type of non-technical, any kind of courses, BA economics, MA literature, BA literature, anybody can learn functional modules. Okay, there is no specific knowledge is necessary for doing any functional module. But even though I'll tell commerce students, BCom and MCom, commerce students, finance or FI is the right kind of module you can do. And some of the commerce students after BCom, they may not be very much interested in commerce thing. They may be interested for some other job. And that kind of a case, you can do material management or MM, supply chain and material management. You must have seen in logistics and supply chain management, airport operations, or mechanical companies, production companies, all this kind of companies, this material management module may help you. Okay, so BCom and MCom, any kind of other commerce students, finance is the right kind of module, and worldwide, seeing the opportunities worldwide, commerce is the king of the SAP module. So there are huge vacancies across globe. If you go to UAE, Dubai, Qatar, and any kind of Saudi Arabia and all these places, huge vacancies. Middle East, there is very good vacancies. And Germany, Switzerland, New Zealand, or whatever, wherever the country you go for a further studies, this finance module help you to get a very good job in SAP implemented companies. Okay. And sales and distribution, SD is another module. It's very good for BBA, MBA students. Okay. Anybody is already specializing in marketing and sales, SD is a wonderful module for them. And for MBA, HR students, human capital management or HCM is a wonderful module for them to get a lot of opportunities across globe. Production planning is normally good for mechanical engineers and other kind of engineers. Okay, so here, please note down, especially today, this commerce students are gathered more. So finance module is the finest module in all kind of ledger, purchase order, billing, inventories, and all kind of management, whatever into accounts, internal accounting and external accounting, everything will be coming into finance, and it is very easy to learn, easy to certify. There is no students till today fail in the finance certification in our history. More than 1,500 students already certified and they are placed in different companies in finance itself. Okay, so it's a wonderful module for all of you. So next techno-functional module is technical plus functional. For example, somebody is doing finance with ABAP is called techno-functional. So it is not necessary for a initial students. It is for a little high-end version. So beginning, you have to learn one module, and I'll tell you how is the course delivery system. Okay, if you are interested for any particular course, you can immediately give your list to the college, I mean university, your head of the department, and you can immediately register with SAP. And when you are registering, you are getting a login ID and password for the SAP site. And university is arranging class facilities with us. We provide you training as per the time schedule fixed, online and offline. Both the way training can be conducted. There are no much differences, because if you have a laptop or a system and having good internet, anywhere you can sit and learn SAP. Even if you want to do SAP Global Certification Examination also, with the help of a laptop nowadays, anywhere you can sit and do the examination, because it is cloud-based examination. Anywhere in your room, you can sit and do the exam. So what is our system is giving you training of around 100 hours directly with the help of a faculty. And to finish 100 hours, if you are even doing with online at home, around 2 hours you spend, around 45 to 50 days, we can finish your training part. In 2 months time, we can complete a a training and examination completely. And within the time of your training itself, we can start giving interviews also, because nowadays there are a lot of opportunities with us, and companies day by day giving interviews. So in the beginning, sir given a presentation in that he told you one thing that is very much important. If you have a very good communication itself, your job is done. Okay, so whoever is doing SAP, kindly remember that your job may be 99% with a MNC company. So while giving the interview, you need basic English. I don't want European English like any blah blah blah, but we need to communicate. Communication English is very much essential. So you have to understand and you have to communicate to them. So that is what English also you need to improve. If anybody's English is poor, I know in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and all that part of India, people have a very good English knowledge, and if normally you understand English very easily and you can talk also. So remember that communication is one of the major thing we need in addition to the technical knowledge. Okay, so I am concluding this particular area. That is, one is you need to have knowledge of any particular module. Only single module you need to learn. Commerce students, finance is the module, and any other students, I already explained the things. You can just see that. Okay, so functional modules and technical modules we need to teach students, and they may get ready. Okay, after that we can immediately start your recruitment process. Okay, so majorly degree graduates, I mean BCom, MCom, BBA, BCA, such kind of students, and then management graduates, commerce graduates, IT graduates, and engineering graduates. So we can tell that commerce, IT, engineering, and management, these are the major 4 category SAP is looking forward. Okay, management, very good salary. Similarly, engineering and commerce, very good salary and very good demand is there. IT, of course, IT we have huge demand now, because this technical module is done by IT students only. So these 4 category of students we need and we can train them, certify them, and we can provide them recruitment opportunity. It is not a small training session only. You are going to get handsome job also through us. So we provide with the help of SAP India. SAP India directly come and tie up with you, your university, with us, and we both together providing a great opportunity to the university. We can definitely help a very good job placement and recruitment of whatever university meant for. I mean, universities required a lot of employment. I know very well that is what all the dignitaries from such a very good even Vice Chancellor and head of the departments and your registrar, everybody gathered here to see anxiously about what is this industry going to do with us. So that is what we are also very impressed, and I really appreciate the initiation you are showing to bring such kind of a industry to the university. So students, I would like to just conclude this small session by only saying that all this, we are just improving the employability index of students, because we are addressing the rapid growth demand of the state, and industry and academics. There is a very big gap, you know very well that, and bridging the academics and industry gap is our aim, and create a sustainable and financially independent workforce in the state, build knowledge-based economy with cost-effective programs from world's best ERP company. That is what our aim. So why SAP is the question, and helping the world run better and improving people's lives. That is the answer. So as a world leader in ERP, SAP can help a very big manner to the students and university to get job. And we all are getting benefit, students, organization and institution. We all are getting benefit out of this. Okay, so I would like to give a heartfelt thanks to the university and all the organizers arranged such a very beautiful seminar. Of course, some number of students are less here. We expected a little more number. It's not a problem. It's a beginning. So I am not believing that it is a ending. It is a beginning only with university. So other students, whenever getting ready, we can have other session, not a problem. So pandemic is the problem. Otherwise, I will directly come to the university and address the students. Anyway, we would like to come to universities and meet all of you very soon to have a very good association and have a tie-up, sign-up sort of thing. And we immediately wish to have a startup with, start with the university in our first session of training, and looking forward to have a valuable association for providing the next generation in a great potential offer from SAP. So thanks all of you once again. And now anybody, any students or any faculty, they can have some doubts, they can ask me. I would like to clarify it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank
good
you,
morning,
sir.
sir. Sir, I am Dr. Jetting Yellow, sir, from the Department of Law, Telangana University, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is, so what is the avenues available for the law students
Okay.
in SAP, sir? Please elaborate upon it.
Can you repeat?
What are the avenues available for law students who pursue the LLB course?
Law graduates.
Law students.
Yes.
Law students in SAP, I don't think law students may go for a ERP software company, because many of them may be interested in, approaching their own area. They may not be joining for a MNC company. And if they are going for a MNC company as a company secretary or company advisor or legal advisor sort of thing, then if their background is commerce, they can of course do this finance module. It will help them for the auditing and legal activities and all. So finance module may be a right kind of module for the law students.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Very good question, sir. Thank you.
Any
Sir,
other? Yeah.
sir, good afternoon.
Any students, they have some doubts, please ask.
Last year question.
Sir, good afternoon. This is Rakesh.
Yeah, Rakesh, tell me.
Sir, actually, I have a small doubt that mostly we'll get after doing the staff certification, FICO. For example, I'm doing my MBA, sir, first year.
You're doing MBA.
If after getting my certification, if I do an internship on it,
Okay.
because mostly the SAP, there will not be any freshers. It will hire the company.
Rakesh,
Company will not hire the SAP freshers.
Rakesh, I got you. Normally, while doing SAP program with association with us, we have a freshers job available. Okay, company recruit freshers from our side, and company give you the practical, training from their end itself. Okay, so no need of a normally no need of a internship program necessary doing SAP program, because you are going to get directly appointed with a company and they'll give you the training. So no problem, please don't worry. Okay. So we can provide you minimum 3-4 interviews immediately in the time of your training and certification. So you will get selected. So don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
And with MBA, we have very good opportunities. There are even you can send your biodata today itself. I'll send a recruitment offer for you. Okay, don't worry. Now, good. Any more questions?
Yeah, if you have questions, you please be fast, or otherwise we'll shift into the next program, next level of this session. Yeah, it's a final call to all the delegates. Those who have any questions, you please raise. Sorry is ready to clarify your doubts, or otherwise we'll move into the next. Fine, thank you. And now it's my privilege to invite our dynamic Dean Faculty of Commerce, Professor M. Adhigiri sir, to address the delegates. I request that Professor Adhigiri sir, please address the gathering.
So thank you, Dr. Rambabu Garu. At the outset, I congratulate the director, convener, and co-convener of this webinar. I also thank Mr. John Joseph, Vice President, EME Partner, who has given a detailed presentation on SAP career opportunities. I feel it is a very good webinar. Our department and John Joseph succeeded to present the career opportunities through SAP to all the student community. It's a very good awareness creating program among the students. So the students, those who are interested, so they can continue to learn about this app, and they can approach the John Joseph as well as in the department teachers for further guidance and further development in this career opportunity. So once again, I congratulate all of you. It is a very good program. So we all of us now have an idea about the SAP career opportunities. He has explained, John Joseph has explained in detail about the Student Academy program, Global Certification program, and etc. So thank you one and all. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your blessings with us. With your blessing, we can do more and more. Thanks for addressing the gathering. Thank you, Anand sir. And the next step is now, it is my privilege to invite Mr. Ramesh Chandra Gupta, the director of Jeevanopadi team, and he is the person who makes the bridge between SAP to Telangana University. And I invite Mr. Ramesh Chandra Gupta to introduce and to explain, to address the gathering.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
On behalf of our Jeevanopadi as well as SAP's Johnny Joseph, sir, I extend my warm thanks to everybody. And if I am here to serve you at any point of time, and I request your feedback to be at the earliest so that we can move forward. And our Johnny Joseph, sir, is always there to help us in any way, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, you are in mute, sir. Rambabu, sir, you are in mute.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, thanks. Sir, I would like to present about my department for a few minutes for your understanding purpose, sir.
Yeah.
In both Telugu states, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, the Department of Commerce Telangana University is offering a unique course which is called MCOM E-Commerce. And in our course curriculum, we have 8 different types of computer subjects, that is DBMS, Java, ERP, E-Business and E-Commerce, FIT, Fundamentals of Computers, like this, sir. It is a conglomeration of both commerce and computer. 60% commerce subjects and 40% of computer subjects. So we have ERP, financials, Oracle, and we have been training our students since last 11 years. Many of them are placed into Bank of America and different companies. We have ERP financials, and we have one eminent person, Dr. G. Srinivas. He is handling all this technical support. So with this, the department is always in forefront to extend any academic help or employment help or professional development. The Department of Commerce is always in forefront. So undoubtedly, I can assure you, sir, we'll have a good teamwork and will benefit the students for their life successful in the career of SAP, EMS, and as well as our Jeevanopadi.com. Definitely in future, this is the beginning step. I feel that one. Year afterwards, we will make continuous interaction with each SAP and as well as Telangana University. Sir, I'm not exaggerating, but I'm saying from the bottom of my heart that your session was an excellent, and it is 100%, sir. It's no doubt about it. You have given 100% fruitful information. Make the career as an SAP career. Definitely, sir, in future also, very monthly or twice, we'll have an interaction with our students according to your possibility. If you give that.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of the Department of Commerce, Telangana University, and all the administrators of Telangana University, we heartfully express our sincere gratitude towards you, sir. Definitely in future, we'll have the good help. So before concluding this one, I would like to take feedback from 1 or 2 persons. What is the impact of this program? Right now, I request Mr. Madhusudan, sir, is a senior commerce faculty teacher in RK Degree College, to present the feedback. Madhusudan, sir, are you there? Mr. Madhusudan? Yeah, please.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So, good afternoon, one and all. Respected professors and participants, good afternoon once again. So, actually, this is very useful program. Earlier, we don't know about the SAP and ERP, but now very well explained by the Mr. John Joseph, sir. And it is very useful to teachers, students, scholars, and what are the SAP career opportunities, certificate course, everything detailed explained by the Joseph sir. So it covers and mobile technology, big data, artificial intelligence, and internet things, blockchain, everything.
No, sir. At that time, I want
So
to
more useful.
nothing,
So
nothing.
thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madhusudan sir, for your feedback. All the delegates, please keep it in one point in your mind. With your feedback only, we came to know that one how to develop the programs very effective manner. Right? Now, any other from student? Almost all two.
Hello.
Student from the student community will be very happy. In our life starts with like this only to become, you become a leader, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any?
Yes, sir. I'm Deepak Kumar Soni. I'm also doing MBA. I sincerely thank sir for providing the details about this SAP and ERP.
You introduce about yourself first.
Sir, my name is Deepak, sir. Deepak Kumar Soni. Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah. Continue.
You can even come to the video also.
No, sir. Actually, I'm
spotlight,
Sir, actually, I'm pursuing MBA, and I sincerely thank for providing the details of the SAP. As we are doing MBA and we are going to the market after 1 or 2 years. So I really thank for providing the details about the SAP and training modules. What will be providing, and we will try to attend, sir. We will attend, sir. This. And sincerely thank for providing the valuable details about this, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Right. Thank you for. We'll improve ourselves to provide more and more details regarding the employment from the Department of Commerce, Telangana University. It is our main motive is to disseminate the knowledge in all the rural areas. We are in that way, 100% we are doing the same. Right. Thanks for all the audience. Before going to concluding this one, I would like to give some remarks as a director. For this seminar, almost all 200, approximately 200 members were watching this one and attending this one, which is a great success. And most of the delegates are from student community. This is a very welcoming step because the students are having that much of awareness regarding this SAP. It is only stepping stone, first one. In future, definitely we'll be giving you more and more. And finally, I propose my sincere gratitude towards the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Telangana University, Professor Ravinder Gusar, and respected Madam, Professor Registrar Nasima Madam, and our dynamic Dean, Faculty of Commerce, Professor M. Yadagiri Sir, and Dr. V. Chandrasekhar Sir, Principal of University College, and the former Vice Chancellor, Muhammad Akbar Ali Khan Sir, and Johnny Joseph Sir, and many other faculty, my convener, my young dynamic team, Dr. G. Srinivas, Sweta, and Gangadhar Sir, and my technical and supporting staff, and all other. Thank you for attending this one. In future also, we need the same type of cooperation. Thank you one and all. With this one, I can conclude this meeting. Thank you, sir. Johnny Joseph, sir. Thank you.
Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Nice. Srinivas will.
The feedback form is posted in the chat box. Please, I request you to fill the feedback form to get the certificate. So, thank you.
Yeah, Srinivas, end that meeting.
Okay, sir. Okay. So thank you all for participating in the meeting. Thank you all.
Yes, sir.
Right, end.